sa mga tanan na nanaw karon. So naanak ko'y bagong pangutanan sa ninyo. When was the last time nga wala nabuslot ang inyong bulsa karong Christmas season? So hello, my name is Gwen Lazarito, and today we are going to explore the ways on how nga makasave ka karong holiday season kay para instead of broke but happy, mahimo tang wealthier and happier karong Christmas time. So tulo ka aspects ang atong storyaan karon is the gift giving and the invitations. So all of those Christmas invitations nga atong ma-receive and the Noche Buena. So first, let's jump right in kay basig daghan-daghan ni may tagdili is don't feel bad. So with regards to the gifts, don't feel bad if dili ka makahatag sa imuhang tanang loved ones of gifts. Kaya nga naman, we don't want to feel guilty during the holiday season now because we're supposed to feel happy, diba? So ang hitabo mo gud na ako na notice is if we're obliged, if we feel that we're obliged to give someone or everyone gifts, ang ending ana kay mangita ta og barato niya paghuman nga dili ta necessarily nga ganahan nila kay what if ang imuharang hibaw-an sa ilaha kay mahalon nga butang ang ilang gusto pero ang mahatag ra nimo kay balig 100 ra di ay sumura na imong paliton. So once the recipient of that gift receives your gift nya di day sila ganahan, they too will feel guilty nga dili sila ganahan sa imong gift o naay possibility nga dili jud nila gamiton, and if gamiton man nila kay para lang dili ka malain, so might as well don't force it ba kay naa man gyud laing ways on how you can show nga your loved ones are special, and that's tip number 2, which is give your loved ones the Christmas card and notes or letters. So kani ma-appreciate jud nako actually. I'm one of those people nga who appreciates receiving letters kay I know man good nga this is something heartfelt, especially kanang na may usahay no nga kani makadawat kay Christmas card pag abli nimo na ay Dear Gwen, pag man katong generic nga Christmas greeting nga gikan sa card niya love Churva o although ma-appreciate ka po nako kay kanang nag-effort jud tang sila og pili og card para nako, but I would have appreciated it more if naay kanang personalized nga messages. So why not do that this holiday season for those people nga wala kay mahuna-hunaan nga mahatag para nila or naa kay nahuna-hunaan but medyo di jud kaya sa budget. Why not give them a Christmas card with a personalized message instead? So this will save you the feeling nga kanang wala kay nahatag, diba? And I'm sure especially if the person that you're giving it to is the kind nga maka-appreciate yung mga inana nga gifts, then they would really feel special. Okay, I know I would. So the next tip with regards to gifts is if you can't buy it, make it. So homemade gifts are a really good way to show nga you appreciate your loved ones during the holiday season. If you're good at baking or cooking, then you can use or like bake and then give your goodies to say your friends or family members, diba? I'm sure they'll appreciate it, especially since they know nga it's made with love. And then Kani said, I know this is unorthodox, it's not something that everybody does, but I would suggest you guys start doing is that try to give your unused items or unwanted items to other people who might like it. So nga naman, daghan ko nadawat sa una sa kanang mga previous nga Pasko nga things nga dili nako kinahanglan. For example, I'm the type of person, if you guys know me, kay kung ano dyan ako ang mga sinina, as much as possible, ganahan na ko black and white, occasionally ganahan ko beige, but dili dyan kay ko ganahan of like flowery clothes or colorful clothes, just because naayo bang color nga dili dyan bagay sa ako, kay medyo mura na ba yata, dili pa dyan ta kanang mura na nga popo, mura na pa dyan ko nga yellowhon, so kanang daghang colors nga dili mo bagay sa ako, and dili sa mo bagay sa akong personality. So those are the clothes that I don't really wear, kay if I don't feel comfortable and confident in something, I try not to wear it, because I would like to be confident and comfortable all the time. Diba? So, for those clothes or for those things, like itahay ka ng makeup kit nga nadawat nimo nga dili nimo ganahan, or maybe you bought a makeup kit online and ang imong expectation kay wala ning meet sa reality ato. So, if you know someone who will appreciate that makeup kit or that dress or that appliances, di ba kay usahay makadaog tag gift out, makadaog tag item sa company, Christmas party baron nato tay maka dawat tag toaster, bread toaster nga nanatay either dili ta mo ganahan og toasted bread or nanatay daghang toaster kay nakadaog sad ka pag miagi sang Pasko. So kadto ay na to i-keep na dili na mo gamiton, may pag-ihatag na lang to nimo to someone who would appreciate that item. Diba? It'll save you money, it'll save you space in your house, plus you get to make someone happy with something that didn't really make you happy in the first place. Because as they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So, another tip. And if you have finalized the list of people nga tagaan nimo gifts, nasa kay lista for those people nga tagaan nimo og letters or personalized cards, or naasay mga tao nga tagaan nimo homemade gifts, make a list of all those people, and then for those people who are under the need to shop for this people list, create a list for them, put their names, and then put the things that they would like, and then put your budget. So there are 3 columns nga dapat sa imuhang list: the name of the person, the item that you want to buy for them, and your budget. So you should not exceed your budget. Example, na my friend ang ihangan kay Gwen, unya si Gwen kay kabaw jud ka ganahan jud ni siya plain white t-shirt, kay either niingon siya ninyo specifically, or nakabantay jud ka nga puti kanunay nga t-shirt ang iyang suoton. So, you decide you will buy her a white t-shirt. Ang inyong budget sa iyaha is 400. Mura jud na ang budget nimo. Di na jud na dapat mo saka kung moubos maayo kung kita makakita mo sale. So, let's say for example ni ato nimo sa mall, unya ay bench man to iyang si palit nga t-shirt, mo ganahan to siya bench. So mo adto kag bench na ay duha ka klase nga puti nga t-shirt, na ay tag 800, and then na ay tag 300 kay na gisale from 400 himo na siyang 300. So asa man mong piliun? Of course, kantong tag 300. Ayaw tong tag 800. Bisag kabalo kang hala, kanang dyan ang tag 800 ang iyahang kanunay suoton sa. But because your budget is just 400, then stick to that. Kay may tabo manggod. Naakay dadon na kwarta. Ningladyo ko sa. Naakay dadon nga kwarta. Say, nagdakag 5,000 baron sa mall. And then, wala ka ning follow sa imuhang shopping list o sa imuhang shopping budget. Ang ending, mukuha gyapon ka sa imong ATM ug mo withdraw gihapon ka, so na doubt na imong budget and you're not saving. So mo lang dyan na, that's very important. Stick to your budget, stick to your list, don't go over it, and as much as possible, don't bring your credit cards and don't bring your debit cards to the mall para iwas temptasyon. And then, with regards to the wrappers, so there are 2 tips sa wrappers. First is try to wrap your gifts in either like a newspaper, or you can use Manila paper or cartolina baron. They're way cheaper, and you can do something to make it extra special, which is put a note. So ang imuhang greetings nila ibutang nimo sa kana or isulat nimo sa ilahang sa Manila paper baron after you've wrapped the gifts. I even know a celebrity who did like, she had her daughter draw on like a more cartolina. They drew on it and then they used that to wrap the gifts. So when their friends received that gift, they were really happy. Some even reported nga more nakahilak siya slight. Kay it's very heartwarming. Kay aside from it's very personalized, it's really personalized. It also feels like it's very special na the giver of that gift put so much thought, love, and effort. So mo man dyan na pinaka-importante, di ba? Love and effort. Medyo gugot lang. Sige. Next. The second tip with regards to kanang the wrapping the gifts is for, I don't know if you guys are already doing this, but I know nga sa among pamilya mo ning ginabuhat nga we would save all of the paper bags from yesteryear's holiday, Christmas time, and then amo nang i-keep, butang na namo somewhere safe, and then on this December we would open that, and then we would use those paper bags as gift wrappers na ihatag na mo sa among mga hatagan ng gifts. So kana siya, usa na siya, gamit kana siya, because di ba most paper bags are around 25 to 50 pesos regular price. So you imagine how much you're going to save. Next is with regards to the events. So daghan kayong events karong holiday season. Lipay kayo dyan ng mga establishments, no? Kay especially if you're in the BPO industry or any big companies, kay na ay kanang group get together, na ay team get together, na ay previous team get together, na ay previous team get together, na ay wave mates get together, na ay ano pa man yung mga get together, cluster, na ay office, na ay branch, diba? And one way or another makagasto jud ko ana, kung dili sa kaon sa amutan, kung dili sa amutan sa gifts, kung dili anak nilang tulo sa sanina. For some reason you always want to wear something new on events or in parties. So to avoid spending, if you don't need to be there in that event, then don't. So learn to say no sometimes for in the events that you are invited to. Kay it may be nga mag-get together din mo ang a group of people in another time, like in New Year's. So imo barong hation, like for this group magkita mo Christmas pero di na mo magkita New Year, or kani di sa may magkita kay mag team building man ni mga tumanig malapas ko ani next month, di ba? So you can just say no to some invitations that you're invited to. And if in the event nga dili mo kadili, or kung usahay ra jud mo makita ng mga group of people, you can actually suggest na magmanito-manita. So I know normally ako kuan jud ko ani sa una kanang guilty ko ani sa una kay I would give everyone in a particular party, let's say 15 mo kabuk, I would, or 15 mi kabuk, I would give everyone something. And in reality that you're not obliged to do it. So instead of being guilty nga di mo mahatagan ng tanan mo friends and nga party, why not encourage them to do manito manita, so, para usara ka buk imong matagaan, and then mas exciting pa kay kanan magsigi mo guess kung kinsa ang nakabunot sa inyong ngalan, di ba? And it's more fun. Another thing is that if you are sorry another thing is that if you are getting together and mag-abot ra mo og lugar, so first suggest nga kung pwede ra mo mag-abot sa balay ni sa usa ka attendee ang party, then if that's possible, then go ahead and do that. And once you're there, suggest nga you do a potluck. So that is bringing your special food. So kita kay na ay host, so all of the members of that party, kita kay si ate, si kuya, si auntie, o ikaw, ganahan mo mag-get together. So ang party will be hosted by uncle. So si auntie dapat magdaog potluck, which is bisag unsa nga iyang specialty, spaghetti baron. And then si ate magdala sa iyang specialty nga humba. Si kuya magdala sa iyang specialty nga ham nga naay pineapple. O ikaw ang in charge sa drinks. O di ba nakasave si uncle o ikaw kay wala mo if you're the one hosting, especially kay dako jud kayo ang ma-save nimo nga money kay everyone has contributed to the food man. And what's great about that kay people get to show off their specialties. So kabalo jud ko, like for my family nga naay maayo muluto ani nga dish, and then like also they can actually contribute to that, and mas lingaw siya kay if you get to try it and then maingon ka nga lami ang aning imuhang spaghetti auntie uy, so the one who made that spaghetti with love kay ma-appreciate jud na mo ba lami jud kay das dili uy lami lagi kayo auntie, o di ba? Kana nanaday nindot nga conversation, and it's a good way to bond jud with friends and family. So I actually suggest, it's one of my favorite things to do, it's potluck. Next is the last part, which is the Noche Buena. So kani usahay ka na medyo dako-dako jud ni gasto kay everyone expects nga Noche Buena has to have like atong ham nga tag mahal kaayo nga with glaze pa nga pineapple or unsa pa nang ipang butang sa ham. And then naadyoy spaghetti, naadyoy humba, naadyoy uban pagali kinay lechon basta Pasko, di ba? So you don't really have to give in to the pressure nga kinahanglan mo o jud ni ang nasa menu. You can just play around a bit and base it on your budget. So dili jud kinahanglan tamang mutang para Noche Buena, guys. Iwasan na nato ang mangutang para Noche Buena kay maunay makapastress nato, and mausan na makapastress nato ang wallet. So as much as possible, stick to your budget. If your budget is just 2,000 or 1,000 para sa inyong Noche Buena, then work your menu around that budget. Dili kinahanglan magdako-dako kung naaman day alternatives nga mas barato. And if naka-come up na ka sa imuhang menu, write your shopping list down, and again, stick to your list and stick to your budget. Do not bring ATMs and do not bring credit cards as well kay mura man na imong kinahanglan. And kabalo jud ko nga pag-abot nimo sa supermarket nga naay sale, like ang kanang if buy two get one free baron inana, pero naagoy ka ng additional, so times 2 na imong bayaran niya, kabaw ka nga dili na nimo kinahanglan. Ayan na lang. Okay, so kung ano na ako ang mga tips for today, and I hope this has helped you. Kaya I know nga I will be using most, if not all, of these tips. I will be using them this holiday season. So friends, watch out mo sa ako ang mga Christmas cards kaya mo dyan na inyo ma-receive. But no, seriously, if you like a particular tip here, please let me know sa comments below. And if na pa mo laing tips, please share it to us as well. I would love to see what are the other options that I can do to help my wallet karong Pasko. So more na siya. And again, this is Gwen Lazarito, and I leave you with this quote nga, your best life starts when you decide. Bye!